ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Kajing sud jong ka technology ha kajing em jong ki breu khamtam ha ni ka spas nam ka bamenta kala penlong yi ki khna abadi ki samla lut bakin klet no suki pasuki ki jingele kai ki baki kme ki pa jong ki jus ngoten nat hado kata-kata banyele kai men baki dang long ki khna red kani baro kala jia tang na ka daw baka mobile phone kala bujili ki jingele kai mau poin so tingko mau kenting ka penher kot kudi bat ki wei di ki jat jinyelek kai ki baju penbernya hado kata-kata ye ki khana red ye ki samla lut bat ye ki bala he lasan hakis nem ki bakham menshua ye ki jat jinyelek kai la kham shitom bandang lap baki khana bat ki samla lut kindang gelek kai kham tam ki jakasor namar bakila mujaban penbernya yaladi ki jingyele kai balai phojat ki badan hapo ki mobile phones hanrei light no tang kato katne ki jakan nong kendong kawai ni ki jingyele kai umen barim baka Batisi TV kala yo lat ban sakhi menta ka kenti kadai ki jingyele kai maupon ya kabala penlong da ka school ba nehu Hagani ke jingele kai ka kinho nyele kai jong ki samla ka snong kenton masar shelong kala ya khun persha ya ka kinho nyele kai jong ka school ba nehu ha ka ba ka school ba nehu kala job ya ka snong kenton masar shelong ka jing penlong jong ka school ba nehu ya gani ka jingele kai maupon kalong ru kum shibenta ban rakhe ya ka jingdap hanyo pu sansnem ka jingyo light loy kari India lengba ka jing tha jong ka sarkar pedeng ban penem ni kino ki jat jingele kai jong ki reolom red pat baki breu kila sedang ban klet no suki pasuki yala ka jong ka tenrai to mentang inya ngap nya kajing batai jong Professor Desmond Karma Plang ubalong uwei ni ki start kot bat ukraw perkhat jong ka school ba nehu uban batai benia halor ka jingmut jong ki khat saw teli ki mapon
ka jing penbe jungi ya kani ka jingele kai mopon kadi ka wei ni ki jing persang jungi na kanehu ban kersio biang ban revive ya ka interest jong ki brio hakni ka jingla kai ka ba nakan mau hadu menta ka bangi ju la kai nudu idang khna khlo khna te hakajing tulun ko por kani jingla kai ru kala nangja nagajing kan mau ba khamtam le haka jing duna ki phlau jing duna ki space banla kai kumi kani ke jat jing la kai kani ke jing la kai kala nang ja ski te kani hu kodan kani ke jing thu namar ba hapo kani ka hapo ka azadi amrut mahotsav gade ka kata ka jing patha jong sarkar pedeng khamtam lele haki central institutions bikin shim yikino ki activities kin shim yikino kin snai yikino program ba la ban peni yaki sab yaki phong khamtam lele ki bami na ki trai muluk na ki trai jaka ti kaneka kumagyo hareng ka emphasis on indigeneity kaneka jing ban halor kucing start tenrai ko bami na ki trai muluk trai jaka kade ko wei ni ki programs ba ka sarkar pedeng ka kwa ba ban pau tikane hu ka shim ya gani ga lat ka shim ya gani kabu bat mila pungkre ya gani ka jingila kai ka bolong kumunong no ka jing persang jungi ka boning kong bat hakani ka sin ni la involve ila khotsoba ya ka local community ka bhajan hne hu hne ka dong kentar masar jong ko molai bat maki ru kila soba ban pha ya ka team juki anila persha ya ka team ka jongi na ko nehu ka kani ka long tang ibe jing persang i berit ka long kum jing sedang bat ka don ru jing temu jong ka nehu ban pun sapriang ya kani ka jingla kai hadien baladap sna bha yiki an hadien baladap sna bha yiki rukom penyan banra ya kani ke jingla kai shudu ki college which ki school baro kani let's say kan one ban ban ketik iki brio ban kersiu biang ya kata ka interest jong ki brio hagani ke jingla kai kumba pilai la se ki don khasau tli ki mau ki ba ki players ki haban shna ki haban dei way halor way kane kini khasau tli ki yang dak na kapenta khasau tli ki benai ki ba ukhasi mendai wujudon te ki bon la pedang ki khasi jungi ru kimtip sho ye kita ki arbana ki belaja shei kita ki benai belaja kai ke kerteng ju kita ki benai ru kede ke ba stam manlam te lengba kani ka jingla kai ni kwa tang ban pun pau tang ban puni tang ban ban persyang ban seprang yang ya kani ka rukom la kai andre ru ban lum ban lang ya ka knowledge ya ka jing start ka ba kani ka jingla kai ka involve
game remains the same. We have played gulli danda. I remember during our childhood we had no money. We did not have even the rubber ball. We used to make balls with paper, with stones, with cloth. We used to tie it and then we used to play. But we always see that somebody is not injured. So this is the kind of games that we all of us have played during our childhood. So this is nothing but a reminiscence of what we have done. Recently the Government of India, Ministry of Sports have included another 4 events, indigenous events. I'll just read out. One is known as Gatka, which is from Punjab. Another one from Northeast, that is Thangta from Manipur martial art. Another one from Central India, Malla Khamba. Another one from down south, that is Kalari Payattu. This is also martial art. So if you see, all these kinds of games are there in all parts of the country in different forms, in different names. I know we have few games, indigenous games in this place, in our state. So the government is trying to revive that, and Northeastern Hill University cannot lag behind. So we are also marching ahead. To me, I stand for corrections. If my memory is correct, if my records are straight, Wa Pong Sala, Kapsu Kau, Resudena, Pong Piksu Sao, Ruang De, archery, bamboo climbing, and Wang Sika. So these are the indigenous games which must be retained in our society to have a reminiscence of our past and a sporting event for the future generation, so that from the past we learn and the future how we look at it. Ka Jingya Lekai Mao Point Kawapin Song Sit. Aleniya Lekai Mintaban Pinkin Mao Batkimen Langya Baro.
अंतर्गत आयोजित आप सभी को also witness the competitive spirit. Before we begin, here's an outline of today's program.
sure that